For many young people, the transition from home education to the next stage of learning or employment can feel like a significant step. While some may choose to continue their studies through GCSEs, A-levels, or alternative qualifications, others may seek a more hands-on practical approach to learning. This is where apprenticeships provide an excellent pathway, offering real-world experience, formal training, and recognized qualifications, all while earning a wage. In this video, we will explore what apprenticeships are, how they work, and why they can be a fantastic option for home-educated learners looking to develop their skills and enter the workforce. What is an apprenticeship? An apprenticeship is a structured program that combines paid employment with training, allowing individuals to gain valuable experience while working towards an industry-recognized qualification. It provides a balance of practical, on-the-job learning with theoretical study, usually through a college, university, or training provider. Apprenticeships are available in a wide range of industries, from engineering and healthcare to digital marketing and business administration. Who can apply for an apprenticeship? In the UK, apprenticeships are open to individuals aged 16 and over. There are no formal entry requirements for some apprenticeships, making them accessible to those without traditional qualifications. However, certain industries or higher-level apprenticeships may require specific GCSEs, particularly in maths and English. Home-educated learners who have not completed GCSEs in maths and English may need to take functional skills qualifications alongside their apprenticeship. Many providers offer support with this, ensuring that apprentices can develop the necessary academic skills while gaining practical experience. How do apprenticeships work? Apprenticeships typically last between 1 and 5 years, depending on the level and industry. They are structured around 3 key elements. 1. Paid employment. Apprentices work for an employer, gaining hands-on experience in their chosen field. They earn a salary while developing job-specific skills. 2. Training and study. Alongside their work, apprentices complete a structured training program, often spending 1 day a week at a college or training provider. Some apprenticeships involve online learning or block release, where apprentices study for a few weeks at a time. 3. Assessment and qualification. Apprenticeships lead to nationally recognized qualifications, ranging from Level 2, equivalent to GCSEs, to Level 7, equivalent to a master's degree. These qualifications are assessed through coursework, practical demonstrations, and endpoint assessments. Types of apprenticeships. Apprenticeships are available at different levels, making them suitable for a variety of career goals. Intermediate apprenticeships, Level 2. Equivalent to GCSEs, these provide foundational skills and are often the starting point for those new to a field. Advanced apprenticeships, Level 3. Equivalent to A-levels, these offer more in-depth training and open doors to higher education or career progression. Higher apprenticeships, Levels 4 to 5. Equivalent to a foundation degree, these provide specialist training and greater career prospects. Degree apprenticeships, Levels 6 to 7. Equivalent to a full bachelor's or master's degree. These offer a university-level education without student debt, as tuition fees are covered by the employer and government funding. Benefits of apprenticeships. Apprenticeships offer many advantages, particularly for those who prefer a more practical learning approach. Earn while you learn. Apprentices receive a salary, making it a financially viable alternative to full-time study. Workplace experience. Unlike traditional academic routes, apprenticeships provide hands-on experience, making it easier to transition into full-time employment. Recognized qualifications. Apprenticeships lead to industry-recognized credentials that enhance career prospects. No tuition fees. Unlike university degrees, apprenticeships are funded by the government and employers, meaning apprentices do not take on student debt. Career progression. Many apprentices secure permanent employment with their training provider or use their qualification to progress further in their chosen field. Challenges and considerations. While apprenticeships provide excellent opportunities, they may not be the right fit for everyone. Some challenges to consider include commitment to work and study. Apprentices must balance job responsibilities with study requirements, which can be demanding. Lower initial salary. While apprentices earn a wage, starting salaries may be lower than those of full-time employees in similar roles. Competitive application process. Some industries receive a high number of apprenticeship applications, making it important to stand out with relevant experience or enthusiasm. Fewer options in some fields. While apprenticeships are available in many industries, certain professions, such as medicine or academic research, still require traditional university routes. How to find an apprenticeship? Finding the right apprenticeship requires research and planning. Home-educated learners can explore opportunities through the government's apprenticeship website. In England, the official apprenticeship website lists vacancies and provides guidance on applying. Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland have their own apprenticeship services. Employer websites. Many companies, including large organisations like the BBC, NHS, and engineering firms, offer apprenticeship programmes directly. Colleges and training providers. Local colleges often have partnerships with employers and can help match learners with available apprenticeships. Job boards and career fairs. Websites such as Indeed, LinkedIn, and industry-specific job boards regularly advertise apprenticeship vacancies. Apprenticeships are an excellent option for home-educated learners who want to gain practical skills, earn a wage, and work towards recognised qualifications. They provide a direct route into employment while keeping doors open for further study and career progression. Whether pursuing an apprenticeship in engineering, healthcare, creative industries, or business, this pathway offers a valuable, hands-on approach to learning. For those considering this option, research is key. Explore available opportunities, check entry requirements, and find the best fit for your skills and interests.